We're here with Everett and Roger, and we're gonna learn how to clean a toilet. The inside is what we start with. So Everett is gonna use the toilet bowl cleaner. Go right underneath there, Everett. Squeezing gently, not using too much. Okay, you can go faster, Everett. That's a lot of toilet bowl cleaner. Okay, that's probably too much, but it takes a little practice. Okay, now Everett's gonna take the brush and do some scrubbing. Careful with that brush because that brush has everyone's germs on it.
Germy.
So scrubbing the walls. Okay.
Toilet spigot man.
Now gently shake that off in the toilet, being careful not to splash everything everywhere, and putting it back in its holder. Now Roger is going to take the cleaner, whatever cleaner your mom and dad recommend, and he's gonna spray the outside of the toilet.
Does that also mean like down?
Yep, everywhere on the outside of the toilet.
Yep.
Now you're gonna use paper towel to wipe everything off.
Even my hand.
Okay, now wash your hands.